I really like eating chicken and rice after my workout because it's like so fun to eat the carbs of rice. And when you eat a high glycemic carb, keep it low fat, and you eat your protein, then you get to feed your muscles and you'll grow your muscles faster. And I don't know how my lines look today, but when you grow your muscle, that's what gives you the shape. And so a lot of times, women especially are afraid to eat carbs, and they're afraid to eat carbs in high quantities. They're afraid to eat high glycemic carbs until they binge or until they're on their period and they don't really care anymore. So it's a great opportunity to eat high glycemic, fun carbs that make you feel good on the inside every single day. And when you do that, you're going to support your muscle growth, because sometimes if you don't feed your muscles after your workout, it'll hit you like hours later or the next day where you're just ravenously hungry because your muscles were like, holy shit, you just tore us to smithereens with a really hard workout and now you're not feeding us. So let's like tell your brain to eat, motherfucker. So you want to make sure that you feed yourself.